Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. I was just thinking out loud. What if there were no limits? What if all the limitations we think exist are a figment of our imagination? What if we've created invisible barriers for ourselves, creating a little jail cell not to proceed forward just because of the way we think or the way we perceive things, the way we think things are or the way we think things should be, then we act in accordance to that. I had a story one time where a mother had a two-storied house, and her toddler, who was still crawling, wanted to go upstairs. So what she did, she put a gate between the living room before you get to the stairs. So when the toddler tried to go, upstairs for a few times, he would pull on the gate, and at some point he gave up. But the gate got broken. So what the mother did, she just placed it there. But the child's mind was already programmed that when you see the gate, it means don't go upstairs. So the child never even tried or bothered to go near the gate. Every time they saw the gate, they just turned and did something else. Mindset, knowing that when I see the gate, it means don't go upstairs. Don't even touch it. Needless to say, the gate was broken. If the kid only tapped it, it would have fallen down and off they went. My question to you is, what are those things in your life that are appearing as gates, and yet if you look closely and evaluate, you can actually break them down? Have you created a glass ceiling for yourself? Have you stopped because you think you were maybe born on the wrong side of town, born in the different country, or our economy does this and that? Have you looked around to see if what you think is not working works for other people? Because it's one thing to say the economy is bad. It's another to find circles of people who are winning in that same economy. Which side do you want to be on? Do you want to be on the winning side? Because if you want to be on the winning side, you look only for solutions. For every hindrance is an opportunity to break through. That's what my mentor Miles Monroe used to say. There is an opportunity for every hindrance. Every time you see an hindrance, your mind should think opportunity versus thinking limitation. You see? So I guess the point of this video is look at the things you perceive as hindrances. As you're trying to do something, what is that roadblock you keep encountering? Then be bold to evaluate it, because you'll find it may be an illusion or a perception that doesn't hold water anymore. It may have been valid at some point, but now you may have outgrown it and ready to move on to other things. Well, just thinking out loud, what if there were no limitations? What if you would never fail? What if every perceived failure was a lesson to your next level? How far would you go? Would you be able to fly? Would you be able to stretch your wings out and actually go and fly and do what you want to do your heart's desire? Would you do that? Or would you sit back and wait for rules and wait for a box where you can fit? Would you go searching for people who are looking for leadership, or would you stand up and be the leader? What would you do if there were no limitations? Well, it's Mother Eagle thinking out loud. Talk to you soon. Bye.